Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mga panood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Mike Tyson versus Michael Spink. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakita na sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan, naging laban ng tinaguriang The Ironman, Mike Tyson versus Michael Spink, at alamin kung paano nga ba hindi na natapos ang 1 round matapos itong tamaan ng mga solidong suntok mula sa tinaguriang The Ironman, Mike Tyson.
1.
The white shoes, and we're just about ready to go. The opening bell, let's see what's happened. Tyson attacks immediately, cuts up the ring, throws a wild right hand. This is round 1, we're just underway. Spink's not able to hold him off so far with a jab. He tries to come back at him, but Tyson walks right through it. Tyson showing no fear, no respect at all here in round 1. And Michael Spink has to hang on to the first line of the fight. Frank Cappuccino has to separate the two. Absolutely no fear and no respect by Tyson for any jabs or anything that Mike Spinks can do. Tyson just looking for the opportunity to land a vicious left hook and then a right hand. While Michael Spinks was successful against Larry Holmes, an aging Larry Holmes, and he was successful against the guy that hadn't fought in a long time in Jerry Cooney, the right hand lands to the head of Mike Spinks. It's Tyson all the way here in round number 1. Vicious shots to the body. Nothing really heavy landing yet. He's taking them. The uppercut. Body shot. Down goes Mike Spinks for the first time. The count is up to 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That was a body shot that took him down. Here comes Mike Spinks in. He leads to the right hand. Down he goes. I don't think he'll get up from this. Mike Spinks is laying flat on his back. The count is up to 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. He won't be able to do it. It's all over. Mike Tyson has won it. Spinks almost fell back through a dramatic first round knockout for Mike Tyson. Unbelievable strike. It came in the first round. And the timer tells me 1:31 of the first round. One of the fastest knockouts in heavyweight history. It came at 1:31 of the first round. Mike Spinks was knocked cold. It happened right in front of us. I looked. Just had a body fly over us here. Just had a body fly over us here. It's a little wild in the ring right now. The security threw up some people right over us. We had a body flying over our heads here at ringside. Unbelievable. I want to tell you that I have never seen in a long while a guy taken out so viciously. Mike Spinks just did not have a chance against Mike Tyson.
Hotel and Casino on the Boardwalk in Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa wakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.